All right, let's dive right into this comprehensive explainer on how to curate a totally powerhouse SEO arsenal for 2025 without spending a single dime. Look, if you're trying to build out an enterprise-grade marketing stack, it is incredibly easy to get completely overwhelmed by those massive monthly subscription fees. But if you know exactly where to look, you can build a highly effective, completely free ecosystem. Let's get into it.
We have a massive list of 54 tools to cover today. To keep things manageable, we're going to break this down into a natural workflow, starting with the free SEO reality, then moving into Google's free ecosystem, premium tools with free plans, keyword and content discovery, technical SEO and performance, and finally, we'll wrap up with local search and tracking.
Section 1. The free SEO reality.
The source material drops this vital warning right out of the gate. If the product is free, you are the product. It's a great reminder that very few free services perfectly match their paid counterparts, so we've got to be highly strategic about their limitations. You know the drill. When you aren't paying with cash, you're usually paying with data, or you're working within some pretty tight constraints. Our entire goal today is to show you how to intelligently string these limited tools together so the sum is way greater than the parts, letting you completely bypass that crazy monthly bill.
Section 2. Google's free ecosystem.
Okay, so because Google absolutely dominates the global search market, taking up over 91.5% of the pie, their native suite of free tools isn't just helpful, it's totally indispensable. I mean, you're going straight to the source here. There's literally no need to guess what search engines want when the biggest search engine in the world just hands you the data for free.
Think of this setup as your command center. First up, Google Analytics 4 gives you the predictive analytics on exactly how your visitors behave, while Search Console acts like a health monitor for your direct indexing and core web vitals. But before you even write a single word, you'll want to combine Keyword Planner's search volumes with Google Trends to make sure you are hitting those seasonal spikes perfectly. Honestly, this combination alone gives you a massive, massive advantage.
Section 3. Premium Tools, Free Plans. Now, the absolute crucial point here is knowing exactly where these freemium gates close. The giants of the industry, we're talking Semrush, Ahrefs, and Moz, they all offer incredible free tiers, but they are tightly restricted. For instance, Semrush gives you access to their brilliant keyword magic tool and site audit, but they cap you at 10 daily organic searches and just one project. Ahrefs provides a fantastic technical audit through their Webmaster tools, but limits you to 10,000 crawl credits a month. And Moz restricts you to checking just 3 domains a day for their domain authority metric. To pull this off for $0, you really have to treat these daily and monthly limits like a strict budget.
And this is exactly why you want to pair the unlimited native data from Google Search Console with the specialized credit-limited technical insights from third-party tools like Ahrefs. It's a perfect combo. You use Google for your daily, unlimited check-ins on traffic, click-through rates, and rankings. Then, once a month, you spend your Ahrefs crawl credits to dig deep into over 100 potential technical SEO issues and analyze your top 100 backlinks. It's all about smart resource management.
Section 4. Keyword and content discovery.
Have you ever tried guessing what your audience wants and gotten it completely wrong? Yeah, we all have. Stop guessing. You can combine the question-scraping power of Answer the Public with the community-driven insights of Keyword It and Seed Keywords. Answer the Public is going to give you over 150 long-tail questions scraped directly from forums and social media. But if you want to know what niche communities are talking about right this second, hit up Keyword It to extract real-time keywords straight from Reddit. You can even use seed keywords to literally crowdsource prompts from your audience, completely bypassing the guesswork. And hey, if you want to be first to market, run everything through exploding topics to catch emerging trends before your competition even knows they exist.
When you actually sit down to write that content, use tools like LSI Graph to find latent semantic indexing, or LSI keywords. Basically, these are conceptually related terms that help search engines fully grasp the context of your page. So instead of just stuffing your main keyword into the text, which we know doesn't work anymore, you're enriching the article with a whole vocabulary of relevance that proves to Google you know your topic inside and out.
Naturally, here in 2025, ChatGPT acts as a massive workflow accelerant. Instead of staring blankly at a blinking cursor, just prompt ChatGPT to generate your blog outlines, brainstorm those long-tail keyword variations, and handle the incredibly tedious task of writing meta tags. It's totally reshaping content creation, helping you instantly draft everything from keyword-rich descriptions to your link-building outreach emails. Okay, once your draft is done, let Grammarly handle the background polish. But crucially, especially if you used AI, you must run it through Copyscape to check for duplicate content across the web and guarantee originality. Finally, when it's time to promote the piece, Connectively, which you probably remember as Haro, lets you pitch directly to journalists to snag those high-authority backlinks. Pair that with Hunter.io to find specific professional email addresses for any domain, and your outreach game is set.
Section 5. Technical SEO and Performance. Before we even talk about doing an audit, you really need to understand schema markup. You can easily generate this using free tools from schema.org or Merkle. This is exactly how you steal clicks from your competitors by getting those eye-catching review stars, recipe images, or FAQ dropdowns right there on the search engine results page. It's essentially structured data code that translates your content into a language search engines perfectly understand. With these free generators, it's literally just copy and paste.
Believe it or not, you can execute a complete technical audit for $0. Step 1. Crawl your site for duplicate content and HTTP errors using Screaming Frog. It might have a funny name, but it's an absolute powerhouse desktop crawler. Once the structure is clean, step 2 is ensuring the site is lightning fast by checking page load speeds with Google PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix. And finally, step 3, you validate your new structured data implementation with classy schema to make sure it's flawless.
To fix those technical headaches you just uncovered, put things on autopilot. A tool like ShortPixel automatically compresses heavy image files to improve load times. Cloudflare steps in as a massive free content delivery network and gives you a free SSL certificate for speed and security. And if you're on a platform that limits your back-end access, Sloth utilizes Cloudflare workers to let you set up advanced redirects and hreflang tags. Plus, don't forget an XML sitemap generator to clearly list all your pages for search engine indexing.
Section 6. Local Search and Tracking. Local SEO isn't just about ranking in a city anymore, it is granular down to the neighborhood and zip code. You absolutely must claim your Google Business Profile for Maps visibility. Then, track your neighborhood-level success using BrightLocal's Local SERP Checker and Semrush's Map Rank Tracker. Semrush gives you 50 monthly credits for that tracker, letting you literally generate a heat map to see exactly which neighborhoods see you on Google Maps and which ones are a blind spot. To boost those specific local rankings, use Whitespark's generator to create a seamless, shareable link that sends customers directly to your Google review page.
To ensure your local data is perfectly consistent across the US, Canada, or the UK, use the Moz Local Listing Score. It scans for directory inconsistencies across the web, which is a massive trust signal for search engines. And listen, if you ever wake up in a cold sweat to a sudden traffic drop, don't panic. Plug your analytics into the Penguin tool. It correlates your traffic drops with known Google algorithm updates, so you can instantly see if a core update caused the plunge or if it's just an internal error you need to fix. Browsio is also super handy here to view your site exactly as a search engine sees it.
We've just navigated a massive list of 54 incredible resources to build your enterprise stack for exactly $0. But I want to leave you with this final thought to ponder as you optimize your online presence for the future. The landscape is shifting incredibly fast. With AI tools like ChatGPT completely reshaping content creation, which free tool will actually define your 2025 SEO strategy? Will it be unlimited data straight from Google, the clever use of freemium caps from industry giants, or the sheer workflow acceleration of AI? The tools are out there, they are completely free, and the next move is yours.